Program number 1. Write code to create a series object using the Python sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the sequence as given. Assume that Pandas is imported as alias name PD. Means series whenever we'll create it, then inside of the Pandas only we can create the series. So Pandas first will import it. Pandas is a module. Okay, so whenever we'll import the module as a name Pandas, so Pandas alias name means nickname we will provide it as a PD. So let's see the program. Import Pandas. Next you take one variable s1 equal to Pandas. What is the alias name as given? PD. So import Pandas as PD. Now s1 equal to this nickname we will call PD dot series. S is capital. PD dot series, and what we'll do inside of the parenthesis, this is the series bracket parenthesis, then this sequence we will call as it is, whatever has given, just copy it, paste it here. Means this sequence we are converting to the series, and it is possible because of the this Pandas module. Now call to the print command. Print. First we'll write series object. What did they call it? Then s1 you will call. Now see the output. It's little bit taking the time, then afterwards output will generate. See, okay. But what happened? This 0, 2 is coming in the same line. So how we will correct this one? What we will do? Here we will put it /n. Now we will see /n for new line will generate. After this colon, new line will generate. Then s1, whatever data is there, it will come to the next line. See, it is the correct method. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that? This is index value. Series index value. So series index value 0 number places what we are storing 2. Then 1 places 4. 2. This is the index value, and this one is our actual value. Series sequence, and series is a single dimensional array. Means only one column. One column it will be stored. In the theory part, I have explained what is series, so that place you can watch it. Here I am showing to programming. So like this also we can write it. Another method what we can do, import directly call Pandas. Okay, then afterwards this one just copy and paste it. I am showing that without alias also we can do it, but when without alias we will do, what we'll do, we should call Pandas, means module name directly we will call. And commenting this one, then you will understand. See, second one. See, came. Same answer has came. Means what happened? This one, this PD we are taking as a nickname. This module, this word is lengthy word. So that's why we are giving the sum name, and whenever this sum name we are calling, that means we are calling to the actually module. Okay, so that's why I am showing in the both the method.